It's that chicken and egg question, but this time I've got the answer. I start by making the egg and turn it into these super cute chickens. There's one simple trick that makes this easy. I'm using 600 grams of clay. I'm using my usual white mid-fire. I center the clay and then I flatten the clay. I push down into the clay and open out with a rounded base on the inside. I bring up the walls and as the walls get to their final height, I round the body. And I gently bring the walls inwards. I collar in. And then I bring the walls together. I use a rib to smooth the walls. And that's the trick to this project, a closed form. Making an egg-shaped container this way ensures that the bottom and the top fit perfectly, and I can shape the egg. The air trapped inside is really helping me. I use my flexible rib to get the curve right. I add the channel by pushing the end of my pin tool into the clay. So this channel is going to become the flange on the lid and the gallery in the base. And then I just trim around the base. I just want to give it a bit more of an egg shape. And then I smooth before setting aside to dry to leather hard. I'm ready to trim. I cut around the base of the channel and then remove the lid. I trim a gallery in the base. This is the gallery that the flange will fit into. I check to make sure that the lid fits. I'm going to add the chicken's comb. I take a thick slab of clay and cut out the shape using a cutter. And then I scratch the chicken's head and I scratch the comb. I add slip and then firmly press the comb in place. I blend the clay to join. Now for the beak. I take another piece of the slab and just cut out a beak. And I join using the same process. Once the beak's added, I'll allow to dry together and I'll underglaze. I'm brushing an underglaze onto the body. I like using underglazes before I bisque. I just like the feeling of painting on raw clay. And I'll glaze the beak yellow. And give the chicken a red comb. And then I make sure they're fully dried before bisquing. Once bisqued, I glaze and glaze fire. So the chickens have hatched. The lids fit, and so a simple egg form becomes a cute chicken, perfect for storing trinkets or eggs or other sweets. If you enjoy watching the making of our unique and practical objects, be sure to subscribe and share with like-minded makers. And for more seasonal fun, check out our bunny canisters. As always, happy potting!